We just found out that Jonah has celiac disease. We need to make our kitchen celiac disease safe. By getting rid of anything that gluten sticks to.
We're gonna need a new toaster.
Everything plastic, rubber, wood, and nonstick has to go. Why are we taking this so seriously?
We love you.
Ever since Jonah was really little, he had a hard time gaining weight. Doctors were concerned, told us to give him nutrition shakes, eat healthy, and it just all never really helped. When he was a toddler, he had to have surgery on his teeth because he had really weak enamel.
Your second Thanksgiving, chipmunk. What do you think? Say cheese. Cheese.
As he got older, we started to dread holidays and going out to eat because it would make him so sick. His doctor recently agreed to test him for various allergies and diseases and found out the root of his problems.
Celiac disease. Celiac disease is an autoimmune response when you ingest gluten, protein found in wheat, barley, and rye, that leads to damage in the small intestine. Something small as a breadcrumb can make me sick for months. Healthy intestines look like this. My intestines look like this. But hopefully not for long. There's no cure for celiac disease. I'm that guy that's not me. I'm gonna eat gluten-free forever. Starting with a $100 shopping spree to replace all the things we have that have gluten on it.
Bam.
Say cheers.
We're gonna make our kitchen completely gluten-free.
Now let him get.
We're going through and making sure that the gluten's gone by taking hot, soapy water, wiping everything down, all the surfaces, and then going through with Lysol wipes and disinfecting it.
This is gross.
We had to throw all of our sponges away too because that could have the sticky gluten on it, and so we got new sponges and are cleaning with paper towel.
What is that in there? That's
Ew.
gross. When was the last time we cleaned that out? We're not sure how important this is, but we did yesterday get a gluten-free soap, and we also had this gluten-free disinfectant cleaner. So hopefully this is good stuff, and it will make sure that our surfaces stay nice and clean and keep going safe.
We have a lot more to learn about celiac disease, but we're grateful to have an answer. And we're embracing being healthy and gluten-free together in solidarity. Well, mostly healthy. Something worth celebrating.
It's been about a week eating gluten-free. I think it helped my tummy way better because when I was in the bathroom, my tummy was hurting. I couldn't go. Now I'm just going to the bathroom. I'm doing good. My tummy doesn't hurt. I think it's pretty good. And
What about your energy?
my energy is way hyper.
It is skyrocketed.
I'm not even tired right now.
So do you think we can do this?
Yeah. I think we can do this
For sure.
for sure.
It's been about 1 week of eating gluten-free. Can you tell me how you feel and anything that's changed?
Okay, I'm gonna have a seat first. Okay, I can do it. Okay, 3, 2. You have to be quiet. There's so much stuff that's gluten-free that's just the same. Like these chips over here. Where'd they go? I've actually feel pretty better